Welcome back to Risk and Reason, a video series where we talk about the real risk shaping compliance and the strategic decisions that define strong governance. Today, I'm going to share new data from Artera and our third-party research firm, Hanover Research, which reveals how organizations are preparing for the growing use of AI in regulated communications. Let's start with what may be the biggest shift of all. AI governance is entering a new phase. For the past few years, many organizations have focused on creating AI policies. They have approved tools, trained employees, set review expectations, and defined what responsible AI use should look like. Those steps matter. But for regulated organizations, the next question is more practical. Can you prove what happened? According to our State of AI Governance 2026 report, 78% of organizations using AI tools expect compliance risk to increase over the next 12 to 24 months. And that risk is rising at a time when many organizations are still trying to connect data and controls behind the scenes. They may look ready on paper, but when questions come up, the evidence may not be easy to find, connect, or explain. That's the AI readiness illusion. The issue isn't that organizations are ignoring AI governance, but often that work is being done across systems that were not designed for AI assisted communications. And for regulated communications, that evidence may live across prompts, outputs, edits, reviews, emails, chats, meeting summaries, mobile messages, archives, legal holds, and investigation workflows. When those pieces are disconnected, organizations may have policy confidence, but they still lack defensible proof. The research shows that gap clearly. Confidence is not the same as a complete record, and the policy is not the same as being able to show what happened. As AI assisted content becomes standard in all kinds of communications and records, regulated organizations need a stronger evidence foundation. They need to know where AI touched the communication, who reviewed it, what changed, where it traveled, and whether the record can be reconstructed when challenged. The organizations best prepared for the next phase of AI governance won't be defined by how many policies they have. They'll be defined by whether they can show how AI assisted communications were governed in practice. The State of AI Governance 2026 report shows a market in transition. The policy foundation is being built, but for many organizations, the evidence layer still needs to catch up. In our next episode, we will look at where that gap becomes most visible and why compliance may own the answer even when the record sits across other teams and systems. Because when AI assisted communications are questioned, the issue is not only whether a policy exists, it's whether the organization can prove what happened. Thank you for joining me.